Grapes are more than just decorative fruits. They're tasty and offer numerous health benefits. One of the advantages of these fruits is how they can help you shed extra kilos. There's no doubt that adding as many fruits to your diet can help you lose weight faster. However, that all depends on the type of fruits you're interested in adding. Today, we're going to talk about the 3 main reasons why eating grapes can help you lose weight. 1. Low-calorie content. What comes to mind when you think about a dessert or an afternoon snack? You're probably thinking about cakes or bars of chocolate. However, such contain high calories as well as sugar and fat. And instead of keeping you healthy, they make you gain more weight. Grapes, on the other hand, they make the best dessert or snack. In a cup of grapes, there are only 62 calories. This number is relatively low and it'll help you lose extra kilos. Not to mention, it keeps you feeling fuller for longer. 2. Boosts metabolism. A recent study from the International Journal of Sports Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism shows that grapes contain high amounts of resveratrol. This compound is known to lower cholesterol levels and boost metabolism rates. 3. It mitigates hunger. We all know that controlling our food intake helps us lose extra kilos. But how easy is it for you to resist biting on an unhealthy snack? Grapes mitigate hunger, thus regulating your food intake. In your next meal, instead of eating the usual, chunk down on a couple of grapes instead. You won't feel hungry until the next meal. 4. Dietary fiber. If you visit a dietitian, they will definitely recommend foods rich in fiber. The reason for this is because fiber improves food digestion, which leads to weight loss. Grapes contain a considerable fiber content and should be your go-to fruit if you're looking to shed some pounds. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.